Life begins with chemistry and builds upward. Hello and welcome. I am Mark from Mentivia. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore the very foundations of biological organization. We'll start at the most basic chemical level and build our understanding upwards, revealing how simple components come together to form the fundamental unit of life itself. Our journey begins with the atom, the smallest unit of matter that still retains the chemical identity of an element. Imagine tiny, invisible building blocks. Each atom consists of a dense central nucleus containing positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Surrounding this nucleus is a cloud of negatively charged electrons constantly in motion. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus is what defines it as a specific element. For instance, an atom with 6 protons is always carbon, while an atom with 8 protons is always oxygen. These fundamental elements are the raw materials for everything around us, including all living organisms. Now, these individual atoms rarely exist in isolation in biological systems. Instead, they bond together, forming more complex structures called molecules. Think of it like Lego bricks snapping together. These chemical bonds, whether strong covalent bonds or weaker ionic and hydrogen bonds, dictate the shape and properties of the resulting molecule. Molecules in living organisms range from simple ones like water, which is crucial for all life, to incredibly complex macromolecules. These macromolecules include carbohydrates for energy, lipids for cell membranes and energy storage, proteins that perform countless functions from enzymes to structural support, and nucleic acids like DNA and RNA, which carry our genetic information. These intricate molecules don't just float around randomly, they precisely assemble and interact in highly organized ways. This self-assembly and complex interaction of molecules is what eventually leads to the formation of the most fundamental unit of life. And that brings us to the cell. The cell is the lowest level of biological organization that can perform all the activities required for life. It's not just a collection of molecules, it's a highly organized, self-regulating system enclosed by a membrane. This membrane separates its internal environment from the outside world, allowing it to maintain homeostasis. What makes a cell truly alive? It's its ability to carry out metabolism, converting energy and matter to grow and maintain itself. It stores and expresses genetic information, allowing it to direct its own functions and reproduce. And crucially, it can reproduce, creating new cells, ensuring the continuity of life. These are the hallmarks that distinguish a living cell from a complex molecule. So, we've seen how the fundamental particles of matter, atoms, combine to form molecules, which then intricately assemble to create the basic unit of life, the cell. This hierarchical progression from the non-living chemical world to the living biological world is a foundational concept in understanding all life on Earth. Each level builds upon the last, creating increasing complexity and functionality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out mentivia.com for more educational content. There you'll find completely free e-learnings, videos, and articles designed to deepen your understanding across a wide range of topics. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way.